Hey, boy. What are you doing, baby?
Good.
So, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Let me see your dragon. Wow. What else did you get? What is that?
Snake.
A what?
Snake.
A snake.
Snake.
You like snakes and dragons?
Yep.
What are you going to be for Halloween?
Huh?
What are you going to be for Halloween?
Batman.
Batman?
Yeah.
You were Batman last year. Mask?
Yeah.
You were Batman last year.
And what house?
No, I think you're right with the rubies. Your man fell apart, son.
What?
Your scary man died, son.
Huh?
Your scary man died.
Where?
Look. His head fell off.
Oh. I made him.
You made him?
No, Daddy made him.
Put the mask on yourself. Put the mask on your head.
No.
Why not?
Because. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on it.
Put it on some.
Huh?
No.
Oh, you look so scary.
Can you see?
Yes.
Can you see? Look at me.
Go look. Go scare Kayla. Go scare Kayla.
Look at me. That's freaky.
You put it on.
Hey, where's your shoes? Ooh.
Come get me. Come get me.
Ew, that looks freaky.
Come on, Daddy, do it to me.
Haha. Gross. Ooh.